If you are already trained on Power BI course or anyone trying to learn or to start your Power BI course, then this video is definitely helpful guys, because nowadays the entire thing changed technical wise and hiring process wise for all technologies. So many candidates already facing a lot of challenges who already trained on specific Power BI course only. In the earlier days, if you completed your Power BI course, those skills are enough to land your first job as a Power BI developer. But the scenario totally changed nowadays, guys. Along with Power BI technical skills, you must have strong other additional skills also required, okay, to get job as a Power BI developer nowadays in software industry. Then what are those additional skills are required to land your first job as a Power BI developer in software industry? The first one is SQL or structured query language. In structured query language, you should know some joins concept, left join, right join, and inner joins, okay, and you have to write some complex SQL queries using joins concept. Next one is aggregations, subqueries, and Windows functions and CTE. These are the areas you have to focus on SQL concepts if you want to crack interview as a Power BI developer. Okay, joins, subqueries, Windows functions, CTE, and aggregations. And next skills you have to focus on data modeling and ETL concepts. Without having knowledge on data modeling and ETL concepts, you may not crack the interview as a Power BI developer. And next skills are advanced Excel. Advanced Excel also is crucial for Power BI developer roles. And next skills also important for specific companies and for specific job description. Those skills are nothing but EM language, that is nothing but Power Query. Power Query also, some companies are expecting more knowledge or hands-on experience if you want to get a job as a Power BI developer. So along with these skills, and also you should have knowledge on Python or R. These are the optional, but many of the companies, they want to filter the candidate by asking Python related questions and R related questions. Okay, and some companies are also expecting some Microsoft related tools like Power Platform tools, Power Automate, Power Apps. They are asking these kind of skills as well. Like this, each and every individual companies, they are specifying different skill set for Power BI developers. Many of the candidates who trained on Power BI developers, they are having some dilemma: which job should I apply and which one should not apply. See friends, you have to focus on your primary skill set like Power BI skills, and then SQL concepts and data modeling and ETL concepts, and also some basics of Python concepts as well if you want to get a Power BI developer jobs nowadays. And some companies are expecting some basic knowledge of cloud, Azure or AWS, any cloud knowledge as well. If you have all these skills, hands-on experience or knowledge, then only there are chances are there to get a job as a Power BI developer. Okay. Hopefully this video definitely helpful who are already completed your training on Power BI course or who want to start your course as a Power BI developer. Only Power BI course is not enough to get a job as a Power BI developer nowadays. That's why you have to learn these additional skill set as well if you want to get a job as a Power BI developer or to become a Power BI developer position. Okay. So if you feel this information really helpful, don't forget hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your social networking platform. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.